Smoking a very delicious tobacco which I've tried before thanks to Byram, and it's really grown on me. It's a latakia, sort of English Balkan type of thing. It's Chieftain, Blacksmith's mixture or blend, and it really is pleasant. It's got what I call a full mouthness about it. It's very full. It's good full-bodied taste. And got you sort of a medium nicotine level, I would say. Smoking it in the Yugoslavian Oxford billiard, which is really a nice pipe, good sized billiard, perfect for this, and it's very enjoyable. The latakia is there, and there's a good abundance of it, but it doesn't take over from the other tobaccos. Virginia and Perique's there as well. A bit of Turkish / Oriental. It's really pleasant, very nice indeed. I've spoke recently about English type of blends, and some of them are far too weak for me, but this one it's definitely got an interest level. It's got maturity about it, and a nice sweetness underlying it too, probably due to the Virginia in it, and spiciness from the Perique, and the sort of rusty barbecue creosote sort of latakia undertone all the time. Looks like it's going to be windy soon because we've just had a most fantastic mackerel sky. When I stick this video up, I'll try and remember to put a picture in the heading picture of the sky. It really was. It was a mackerel sky all over. Really high cloud. Absolutely brilliant. I've never seen such an overall mackerel sky. It's usually a sign of wind, though it's very calm at the moment. There's hardly a movement on the trees at all. No. So that usually means that there's a change, I think. I'll have to keep my eye on the barometer for the fishing, because the wind direction in the barometer, it's important to know what's going on, because the fish don't like unsettled conditions very often. Usually fish is a lot better the waters I go on when you've got a steady barometer and it feels right. Anyway guys, enough rambling from me. Hope you're doing okay. Thanks for watching.